Hi guys, sorry, who are we? Do I say your real name? Okay, I'm Trisha.
Hi, Trisha.
Nina.
Hi, Nina.
Nina.
Hi, Joy. So yeah, sila yung Lex contingent natin going to the UST competition. And I request everyone to support them because it will be on a Sunday. Who can go? Who can go?
When's this again?
I want to go.
Sunday, September 12.
Commute.
Yes, may 6,000. Okay lang ba? If you commute. So, it's easy lang naman, diba? LRT and then site. Yeah, UST. So, yeah, don't worry, we'll be full force with 8 people. Because 8 people lang pwede from each school. So, we'll be full force with 8 strong people. Yes,
Tell them you're
question.
winning. Can we all go in costume?
Sure,
go! We have to have a team, so we look united.
Tama.
Powerpuff Girls.
Okay. So, ayan, guys, if any message for them? Any message for the 3 lovely ladies?
Good luck, guys.
Hot. Good luck, and we're proud that you guys took the opportunity to represent Lex, and we're super wishing you guys well. And no pressure, it's the first time ever we're sending representatives. So we wish you luck, and we hope that everything will go well for you guys and for Lex. So thank you for representing us. Thank you. Good luck. How's your training so far?
Amazing.
Kasi wala pa. Alright. But, ganito, because Becca's not here, but when you kindly text her na lang, because there are like motions na.
She said maliliit. Maliliit lang siya.
Kaya maliliit na. So, I think you're gonna meet with her, no? So,
Yeah.
So, she'll teach you like ano yung mga motions na
They give you more.
yeah.
So it's before, like we're
Yeah.
preparing for it. Is it like we
I have
won
no
that.
idea. She knows everything. I passed everything because of her.
Like,
So, and she, I think she hired the coach.
is it like you like
I think so, like political stuff. Kaya yan, okay? So, yan, let's give them a round of applause.
I'd rather have a
first.
shopping.
Go, Lex. Go, Lex.
Go, Lex!
2, 3.
Go, Lex! 1, 2, 3, go, Lex!
1, 2.
Go, Lex!
What? Baduy.
Alright, thank you.
Bye, bye, bye.